Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable location tracking here in Zoho People. All right, so the first time you clicked on check-in right here for both web and phone, you'll be able to see a notification pop up that says enable location. Now, if you forgot if you have enabled it or not, well, you can go ahead and go to the URL box right here at the top, and you will be able to see the view site information logo right here, or icon. Just click on it, and as you can see here, mine is already enabled. Now, if yours is not, just make sure that the slider is toggled on. Okay, now once done, you should be good to go. Okay, you will need a simple reload right here, and after that, continue what you're doing. All right, so if you're using your mobile device, tap on check-in right here. As you can see, it's already enabled in my case, but as you might have noticed here, my location is not enabled. So all you'll do is just make sure that you enable this option right here, and then go back. All right, go ahead and find the Zoho People app. Tap and hold. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon and just make sure under permissions, okay, location is enabled. Tap on it. Allow all the time. All right, or allow only while using the app. Okay, once done, go back once more, scroll down and find battery right here, tap on it, and make sure that it is set to unrestricted. Okay, it says here, allow this app to use battery in the background without restrictions. Why do we need to select this option? So this one right here ensures accurate tracking. Wherever you go, it will be active. Okay, just make sure that this one is set to unrestricted. Go back to the app if you want to, and just make sure again at the top that your location services is enabled. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.